Hey, we're Panda Packs.
And this is day 21 of opening 2023 Big League Baseball until we get the Pirate Parrot or run out of cards. Well, we'll see. This is a fun set to open. Alex Bregman on the City Slickers. And that's a blue Joey Votto, so that's not a bad hit, but
Not necessarily what we're looking for.
not what we're looking for.
Okay. There is a fly flying around here, so if he makes an appearance.
Good on him.
Good on him.
The SAG card.
Nope. No. That's funny. Doesn't
No
look like
mascots
there's
yet.
one in here. All right.